Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have my second challenge entry for my birthday giveaway, and this one is from Wanda from Wanda Sweets. So I'm going to show you guys what she sent in. So again, what was required is some kind of interactive or shaped or fun fold card and an embellishment box with a sequins mix, and then there were some extras as well. So here's my entry number 2. Let me show you guys what's in here. Okay, I'm so excited. I had no idea Wanda was entering my challenge. I did enter hers, but I didn't know that she was going to be entering mine too. So super duper excited to see what she sent and what she created. Oh my gosh, look at all these like sequins in here. Lots of sequins. Let's just make it pretty full. Look how pretty that looks. Okay, so here is Wanda's card. Look how cute. I love that little girl. And she colored this. Oh my goodness. That is some great coloring skills. Let me show you guys. Look at these beautiful sequins. Love. Okay, so here is her card. I'm not sure how to... Is this a card? Oh, it's on Velcro. Okay. So here's her beautiful card. She has this cute little bow. I love these little banners and how you added those there. I love the sprinkles pink paper. That's so pretty. And this little girl that you made. How cute is that? Did you stamp her too? She's so stinking cute. Is she carrying a present box? With like a little tag on it? Oh my god, this little girl is adorable. Thank you so much, Wanda. How cute. So when you open this up, oh my goodness. Look how amazing this card is. Guys, are you seeing this right now? How did you make this, Wanda? This card is so stinking cute. Close your eyes and make a wish. Is this an Anna Griffin die? Her cake pop-up? It might not be. It might be a different one, but oh my goodness. This is adorable. I need to know how you made this. This is so stinking cute. And look, she glittered up the whole cake over here. How adorable is that? And she added all this trim and the paper, which is, I think, Chasing Dreams collection. Oh my gosh. This is so stinking cute. Thank you so much, Wanda, for entering my challenge and for sending in this gorgeous card. Oh my god, I love it. So that is her card entry. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I can't even make it stay up. Okay, we'll just... She's gonna end up closing, but that's okay. Okay, so here's her embellishment box. Thank you for making it flat. Look how cute. Did you stamp this too? No, this is, I think, a printed image. Then it's the Celebrating You. This is like a chipboard kind of sticker. Where is that from? What collection? So cute. Then this says Good Times, yay. I think this might be that new collection by, I want to say, is it called Confetti? No, just kidding. It's called the Let's Celebrate collection, I want to say, because I have it too. So I think that's what it is. And let's see what she sent in the embellishment box. Oh my god, did a whole bunch of sequins just fall out? I think they did. I think she bedazzled all of this with sequins. Oh my god, look, she has a pocket up here. How cute! Look at all these die cuts and goodies she sent in here, and she included... Oh my god, look how cute they are. This cute little hippo. There's this one. This one with the star. Did you stamp these and color them, or are these print and cut? I'm so confused. They're all so pretty though. I don't have like any of these like little characters. They're so stinking cute. Look at this little girl. She went apple picking. Then there's this one, just chilling. There's some more in here too. How cute are these? Oh my god, these are so stinking cute. So here's this one, shopping. There's this girl. There's these ones. These are so adorable. Look how cute. Thank you so much, Wanda. I think I might have missed some in here, but I did. There's a whole bunch more in here. I think I'm like taking apart the box here. Okay, and then there's this one with the cute little cake and a present. These are so adorable. Thank you so much, Wanda. Those are so cute. So she sent in some of those, and then in her embellishment box, she has a sequins mix here. She has, I think this is a bead. Is this a bead? I want to say that this is a bead. Wait, that's not her sequin mix. This is gemmies. Some cute little gemmies. She has this bead also, and I'm pretty sure this is a bead. Yeah, there's the hole. So that cute bead as well. Then in the next one, I see some flowers. Look at this cute handmade flower. Wait, is the leaf supposed to go there? I think the leaf got squished. I think it's like that or something. Look how cute this flower is. I love that little center that you included, that little gold piece. How prettyful. And then she sent another one here. The two little flowers. Then she has more gemmies here and more beads. I like how she kind of made it like equal on each side. So these ones are gold. Super prettyful. Then in here, she has some acrylic pieces. Look how cute these are. Just add them as little decorations to some projects. Got some little hearts, some button looking ones, even though they're not actual buttons. I love that heart. How cute. Thank you. Then she also sent in some of these beads. Look how pretty they are. They're like an ombre, like a peachy turquoisey ombre color. Then there's these ones. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Thank you so much. These are so stinking pretty. They're like the rhinestone beads. I love them, and I love that they're all pink. And then she sent these, oh my god, these are beads too. They're little roses. These are so cute. I love these. Thank you so much for sharing. Then here, oh my god, are these tassels and these cute little tube things? Did you make these tube things? I don't want to take them out because I don't feel like I'll be able to put them back in, but look at all these tassels she sent me. And how are they in this cute little tube? They look so organized in there. Then she sent me some of these glass charms, and they have like the little sequins in them. Did you make these? I've never seen this purple one, or maybe I did. I actually have the pink one, but I don't have the purple. Thank you. And then here's a sequins mix. Look how pretty and colorful. I love the little hearts in here. Look how cute. And then she has a little charm, I think that she made. Little tassel charm thing. And look at this cute little like splatter paint bead. How adorable. And then this one, oh my god, I love this. I don't even know where you buy these flowers. But I got some of these in a swap before, and then I used them all up. And then I have no idea where to buy those like foam flowers. But she made this into a cute little charm. And she wire wrapped it. How cute is this? I love this. Thank you so much, Wanda. I love that. So pretty. And then here she has a cute little lollipop charm. And a unicorn. Look how cute. Thank you so much, Wanda. This box is so prettyful, and I love the little goodies inside. And then I'm not sure what's in here. But in here, okay, before I open it, I want to say that this is one of her resin pens, but I'm not sure. Oh my god, she did! She sent a resin pen that she made. Look how cute. Aren't these so stinking cute? And she has those cute little acrylic pieces. Oh, they're beads. I didn't even realize that before. And she has these beads on there and this cute little tassel. Thank you so much. I know she's been doing all this resin. I appreciate it, girl. Thank you. Thank you so much for entering my challenge, Wanda. I had no idea you were going to be entering. I mean, I'm sure I have no idea who is entering. I only know like a couple of people, but oh my gosh. Thank you so much for entering and joining in on the challenge. I love everything you made, but this like card like just blows me like away. Look how cute this is. Please let me know how you made that. Is that a die? Like, how did you do that? Please let me know. And thank you again so much for entering. And guys, definitely check out her channel. I will have all her information down below, her Instagram and her YouTube. Wait, I just realized, did she write anything somewhere? You didn't write any information? Well, I know you have a YouTube and Instagram, so I'll include that. And I'll check if you posted a VR or not. But thank you so much, girl. I love it all. And check her out, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Bye.